So tasty. My raspberry banana smoothie. Go ahead. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a raspberry banana smoothie. Okay, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, and remember to follow me on all social at Handbooth. Thank you guys. So let's dive right into this raspberry banana. So I have here a red raspberry. Yes, I have a banana. I have some pineapple cut up in this container. I have my yogurt and I have my almond milk. So I'm gonna get started. So let's add the raspberry to the blender. These are exotic fruits, right? I'm gonna add the pineapple. So I bought this in this container. There's pineapple already sliced, so I didn't have to buy the one that's not peeled. Alright, add the banana. Doesn't taste that good. I'm gonna add this one. Vanilla Greek yogurt mixed berry. You see me guys? See what I'm doing? For some reason, coming at me now. Cover and blend. Okay. Smooth the blending. And there I have it guys, all done. This looks so beautiful. The color, see? The color is so beautiful. Gonna glass it now. My raspberry banana smoothie. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that color. So pretty. So pretty guys. So nice. Ooh, so nice guys. Go ahead and try this smoothie guys, you will love it. It's raspberry banana smoothie. So nice, so tasty, so delicious. Go ahead and check it out. Everybody will love it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share and comment. Tell me what you think about this smoothie. Yes guys, thank you so much. Until my next video, bye.